Okay guys, welcome back. So let's have a look at Marathon Digital again today. It's been a while, but today BTC is taking a hit, 7% so far, 62. And I don't like to analyze the BTC in general, but I take a look at the moving averages. I take a look at basic like levels, support resistance levels. That's it. There's nothing else to analyze about this asset. So right here, right now for BTC, I'm watching 52K, 52 and a half. This was the resistance right here. And now that's also 50-day SMA. So 52, 55K, that's the support. You can see 5-day moving average rolling down. Last 4 days, selling pressure is on BTC. Miners, Mara. On Mara, we talked many times. I have been, if you haven't watched my videos about Mara since right here all the way, you can go back and take a look at what we were talking about. We were talking about dilution and everything since day one. And I have talked about, maybe on my thumbnails, you can see this level as well. 16 bucks, 15 bucks. That's 200-day moving average. That's the support right here, right now. That's where a lot of people might come in. Technical people might come in as an opportunity to get in, to buy. Just like after this huge drop right here, people, as long as this level holds, people came in, stock rallied, and then a lot of people joined here and they left holding the bag. Same thing, this cycle repeats all over again. If it tries to bounce, new fresh people will come in and it will go down again. And it just keeps repeating, okay? But right here, right now, this is my level. This is my support I'm watching for Mara. And in terms of options, there are, implied volatility. Let's just take a look at there's a lot of time left. It's been only 1 hour since market opened. That's why it doesn't make sense to look at the open interest, but we'll take a look at it. IV, implied volatility. That is another thing for options traders to not overpay or just to stay away. If you are just purely trading calls and puts naked, you're not somebody who sells premium, collects, you're not somebody who does credit spreads. When implied volatility is high, you want to be careful, very careful. And right here, right now, implied volatility for Mara still high, historically high. Now, it's been only 1 hour since market opened, 70,000 calls being traded, 27,000 puts being traded. Let's take a look what people are doing so far. So I'm seeing some calls. I'm seeing some $50 calls for June. But again, when you pick the strike prices, one simple trick would be just to come take a look at the implied volatility. Let's say June 2024, what is it implying? $10 move, $11 move. Okay, stock price is at 17, 18. I wouldn't buy personally anything more than whatever it's implying. Of course, there are times I buy time and a half, 2.5 times, but not when implied volatility is that high. So let's say by June, okay, market is implying that it can move $11, 28, let's say. And I come, look at the 28 strike. It is being traded for $2.15 right here, right now. There's some open interest. And I have right here at the same time, you can see what I watch. Price, open interest, net change, volume, probability of in the money. probability of this strike going in the money. 16%. So that's how much expectation I will have if I'm trading the stock and if I'm trying to hold it all the way. And that's why a lot of people just come in, and as soon as price moves, if your contract doubles or triples, they just get out in a couple days. They don't hold it until expiration date. Same with me. And that's how much expectation I have every time I buy a call or put. I know there's a extrinsic value. That's my channel's name, time. I trade outside of the money, calls and puts. Extrinsic value in this case is just time. It's not in the money. There's no intrinsic value of that contract. The only value it has, it's time. As time goes by, these contracts can hit in the money. But it's not about options. But the point is, a lot of people have a hard time when it comes to trading these. So if you're new, well, I will be pretty soon. I'm not trying to sell anything. You can just join my Discord completely free. But I will be talking about this in the Discord and Patreon as well. So if you want to check it out, if you have like particular questions about how to read option flows and how to when to buy, when not to buy, when to stay away, very important as well. You can ask me questions during market hours. I didn't have it at all, but I kept getting a lot of messages on Twitter and even Discord, which is free. You can go in there. A lot of people ask, and every time I'm very, very selective about when and what to buy. So right here, right now, this is my level for Mara, and for BTC. Well, I think it can come down, but you can see 5-day moving average. This is the gray line right here, which is curling, and 50-day SMA. That's the support I'm watching right here, right now for BTC. So that's the video for Mara. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.